This is how to sell and buy your gift cards on Prestmit. You see, I've received multiple free gift cards online. This is Amazon free gift cards, $5. This is another one, $20. This is another one. This is another one. This is another one. This is how I get free gift cards from multiple websites, and I'll be showing you how you can start getting such free gift cards directly to your email that you can easily convert and exchange to cash directly to your bank account in your country. Ensure you watch this video to the end. I'll be showing you 9 websites where you can get free gift cards almost for free. You will also get to know my top recommendation of the best place to sell your gift cards with the best rate. I've done multiple transactions on that platform. There are 2 major things you must consider when selling or buying your gift cards on any platform. Is the platform trusted? Can you get a good rate? But I can assure you, Prestmit is legitimate, and I'll be taking you through how to use the gift cards rate calculator on Prestmit platform that will help you decide if the platform is for you. Do me a big favor. Please subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. So, how do you sell and buy your gift cards on Prestmit? Let's do it. This is the inside of Prestmit. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video to sign up. If you are using mobile phone, you may see it in this format. You can see my name. This is my balance. You can hide it. This is rate calculator. That is, you'll be able to calculate the rate before you sell your gift cards. This is where you click to buy and sell your gift cards. This is the option to buy and sell cryptos. You can also pay bill, buy and sell your airtime. That is your recharge card. This website is legitimate. After you must have sold your gift cards, this is where you'll be credited. You see your balance. You can now move the money from your wallet to your bank account in your country, either you are in Ghana or Nigeria. If you want to refer your friends and family members, this is the option. To sell your gift cards, it is advisable for you to check the rate of the gift cards. So click rate calculator. This is how the rate calculator works on this platform. For gift cards, you choose the category of the gift cards rate you want to find out. These are different gift cards that you can sell on this platform. We have a lot of good brands of gift cards on this platform that you can sell or buy. Let's use Amazon as an example. You select Amazon. You want to know Amazon gift card rate. You select category. There are different Amazon gift cards for different countries. We have Amazon gift cards for Canada, for UK, for Australia. The standard is Amazon USA. Let's go for Amazon USA. This is Amazon USA. You can buy or sell Amazon USA e-gift cards or physical one. It's usually easy for you to sell your Amazon e-gift cards. So e-gift cards, the minimum e-gift cards you can sell on this platform is $25. So you have to key in $25. So if you have gift card that is $1, that is $5, that is $10, it will not fly on this platform. So you can see this is the rate as at the time of this video. What this implies is that for every $1 gift cards, this platform will give you 210 Nigerian Naira. So a $25 gift cards worth 5,250 Nigerian Naira as at the time of this video. So if you want to sell, you click sell gift cards. So this is how you use the rate calculator on Prestmit platform. Thank you. So after you know the rate of the gift cards you want to sell, how do you sell your gift cards on this platform? To sell your gift card, you come to this place. So you click buy and sell gift cards. You can see gift cards. If you want to sell, which is the purpose of this video, you click sell gift cards. To sell your gift cards, you select the category of the gift cards you want to sell. There are so many gift cards with different brands that you can sell on the platform, as I explained earlier. But let's use Amazon as an example here. You click Amazon. Are you selling physical gift cards or e-gift cards? Physical gift cards, they are gift cards that you receive and you have physically with you. E-code gift cards are e-gift cards that you receive via your email, so you select that concerns you. In this case, I always prefer to transact on e-gift cards. So you click e-gift cards. You have the Amazon e-code gift cards. Select the country. Because Amazon gift cards have different gift cards for different countries, we select for USA. Then you choose the category, which is USA Amazon e-gift cards. The minimum gift cards that you can sell on this platform is $25, which is a disadvantage for the platform. There's no provision for $1 gift cards, $5 gift cards, $10 gift cards, $20 gift cards. Ensure you watch this video to the end. I will show you a review I've done of other platforms and other options that you have, where you are going to get options to sell any amount of gift cards that you have with you. And these are all legitimate gift cards exchange that you can use. Let's assume we are selling $25 worth of e-gift cards. If it is physical one, this is where you upload the picture. You take the picture with your phone, you upload it here, but we have e-code, so we don't need to do that. You select payment currency. That is how you want to be paid. This platform only have provision for 2 countries that can sell their gift cards on this platform: Nigerians and Ghanaians. So I'm a Nigerian. I click Nigeria. This is where you input your gift card code. You scroll down and you can make any comment that you want the platform to know about this transaction. It's optional. You can see that this is the rate that is offered, and as I've shown you on the rate calculator before, it is 210 Naira for $1. For $25, Amazon e-gift cards on this platform, they will pay you 5,250 as at the time of this video. This rate can change, so all you need to do is to click proceed, and you get your money in your balance here under Naira, and you can now move your money to your bank account on this platform. So this is how you sell your gift cards on Prestmit platform. Thank you. How do you buy gift cards on the platform? All you need to do is to click here to buy gift cards. Buy gift cards. You have option to select your country. I'm in Nigeria. You select Nigeria. This symbol indicates the currency of your gift cards. In this case, the standard is to use US dollars. So all these gift cards are US dollar based. So if you have any US dollar based gift card that you want to buy, that's when you select this option, and it is by default. So for instance, if you want to buy Amazon gift cards, you have other brands of gift cards you can buy. Look at all of them are here. All you just need to do is to pick on your choice. Look at it, Amazon gift card. You can buy between $1 gift cards and $500 worth of gift cards. The minimum amount of gift cards you can buy is $1. The maximum is $500. For instance, if you want to buy $20 worth of Amazon gift cards, you type it here and you select the quantity. For instance, if you are buying one, you leave one. You click continue. So you've indicated you want to buy $20 worth of US Amazon gift cards, and it is only one you are buying. This is the amount it will cost you, 25,000 Nigerian Naira. And if you are a Ghanaian from Ghana, this is the amount it will cost you. And if you are paying with USD, that is dollar, this is what you are going to pay, $20.04. So all you need to do is to click buy. As soon as you click buy, look at it, you will select your payment method on the next screen. When you click buy, you click buy. These are payment options. You can pay with your Naira wallet, which is your wallet on this platform. That is, you must have loaded the wallet with the amount before now. You can pay with Ghanaian currency. If you are from Ghana, you have a default Ghanaian currency wallet. Then you can also pay with cryptos, and you can also pay directly with your bank account. Look at it, say coming soon. So all you need to do is to select wallet. If you select wallet, look at it, I don't have that money in the wallet. Look at what it says, your wallet balance is insufficient. So if you select crypto, it will allow you just click next. Look at it, purchase submitted. Your gift card purchase was submitted. Your gift card code will only be delivered to you after you make the crypto payment on the next screen. So for you to make crypto payment on the next screen, you click make crypto payment. Now this is the BTC, that is Bitcoin amount you are expected to deposit. This is the amount, and this is the payment method. This is the Bitcoin wallet that you are going to credit, and you have this time lag to make the payment, that the payment will be expired. And you can also use your barcode for your phone to make this payment. So this is how you buy gift cards on Prestmit platform. Thank you. You can now use Prestmit to sell your gift cards online, but try to watch this video. In that video, I compare rates of multiple websites where you can exchange your gift card for cash. Ensure you watch that video. It's going to help you to make up your mind. As promised earlier in this video, you can also get free gift cards online. Watch this video. You'll be able to see different ways I get free gift cards on daily basis. This video will take you through how I use the best platform where I sell my gift cards online. Please do me a big favor. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, drop your comment, and I will get back to you.